Hi, I'm Mark Grice, the Senior Technical Engineer, and today I'll be showing you just how quick and easy it is to connect the MDF and the ProMax Plus.
So on our plug and play option with the Marantec motor, you get the cable set with the motor lid already attached. You got your motor terminals, your encoder terminals, and 2 terminals for the brake. Now they're only generally used on the bigger MDF motors that has a switched brake. So first of all, you just plug in your motor connections. You have your encoder that plugs in. Your cables will go into the side here, and then you just attach your lid. So on the ProMax Plus starter side, you just get a drop-in gland. Again, that's already attached to the cable set. You just drop the gland in. Your encoder will plug into the encoder socket. You have your 3 motor connections, U, V, and W. Simply plug that in. The brake connection, because the motors on this one is only small, is not required. And then the only wire you have to connect in is your earth terminal. That is now your motor fully pre-wired.
And there you have it, the MDF and ProMax Plus connected in no time.